So you're looking to upgrade your MSI BIOS. I'm going to walk you guys through it. If you do not have a USB stick, this is the most simple way possible. And plus, if you're too scared of touching your BIOS settings and messing something up on your PC, this is the much easier method overall. So what you want to do is go to your Microsoft Store, and once this loads up, now you're going to see, for me it's the fourth one down, but the MSI Center with a skull looking logo. This is by MSI themselves, so it is safe. Do not worry about it. Now, once you have this installed, you want to press open. Wait for this to open up. It doesn't really take that long. Okay, so once you launch the app, I believe it'll have you on the feature sets part, which shows you the MSI AI engine, the companion, so on and so forth. All that stuff, if you know where I'm at. So what you want to do is go over to support. You want to go to live update, and then you want to go down to advanced. You want to click it one time, press yes. So what this will do is it'll see if your motherboard is on the most recent updated BIOS that your motherboard supports. So if you're experiencing any instability issues or CPU issues or anything like that, in my opinion, this will most likely help you. On one of my older videos, I'll pop that on the screen now, I've updated my BIOS and I actually compared it old to new, and I actually received a lot better performance out of it. Anyways, enough of that. So you're gonna see that it shows MB BIOS, that stands for motherboard BIOS. MS for MSI. So what you want to do is click this and press install. Now it says system restart notification. Please back up important data before continuing. System will restart automatically once update completes. Do not shut down system during advanced update. Replug keyboard and mouse and headset after system startup if you perform device FW update. I do not know what a FW update is. I will look that up and put that on screen now. In simple terms, do not touch your PC while this is updating. It will restart probably a couple times, or it might flicker on and off. It is doing its thing. Now this applies for any motherboard, any BIOS update. This is a very important thing that you need to know. Make sure there is no thunderstorms, there's no lightning, there's no power outages, there's no floods, none of that. Because if your motherboard updates during a thunderstorm, for example, and your power goes out, your motherboard is most likely going to be bricked, which means useless. So you want to do this on a clear day, make sure nobody's working on power lines near you, and you're good to go. So enough of me rambling, we're gonna go press update and restart. Now, what this will do is it will download the BIOS update. It's preparing to download, and we're going to let it do its thing. So we are now on the BIOS is updating. Before this screen, it will say enter flash mode. Do not touch your keyboard. Leave it be. I had a little mess to fix. But while this is updating, so my previous driver was from 10/23/23, I believe, and this one is from July 18th, 2024. Leave it be for about 15 to 20 minutes. So now my computer just restarted from the BIOS update. As you can see right now, it is booting up, so it's going to keep on showing MSI until the update is complete. So don't worry, it is updating. So after everything is all done, you're gonna just want to log back into Windows, and then you are all set. You are on the most recent updated BIOS version. So after everything is all set, hopefully your computer is running a lot better. There's no inconsistencies, there's no mistakes. I hope you guys found that informative. If that helped you out, please leave a like down below. If you don't want to miss any more tech videos from me, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.